Hi guys, I'm Audi. Welcome back to my channel. Finally, I received my carbon fiber hood this morning. It took 1 month to build this. It's really a long time to wait. However, today we are going to install it. Before that, let me go pick up my friend first, because it is kind of hard to do all of those work by myself. The hood is still in my apartment right now. I'm going to bring it down after I pick up my friends, and I'm going to show you later when we start the work. So this is the hood. Now let's start the work, and I will show you when it's done the full detail of the carbon fiber hood. I think the first we have to take all of these bolts off, and also these wires with the windshield washer have to take it off. I believe that's all of the things we need to do, and also have to take all of this plastic off. Let's start the work, and I'm going to take these wires off from the hood first. So I was thought this have to take some screws off or something like that, but it was the easiest way to take it off. Just pull it off, then it's off. Let's continue the work. So now, as you can see, this one is off, and this is the electronic one. You just need to push this back, and this one will be off. And this white one is the pipe for the washer. This clip was on here. You just pull these two at the same time, pull it up, and then it will be off. So this is how you take these washers off. Now we are going to take all of the screws and the plastic off. So all of these pieces off, as you can see, and you just need to pull them out. All of them are held by clicks, as you can see, and also this piece is also off on both sides. It's also a clicks. Now, as you can see, this hood is totally off. You only need to take all of this out, which is under here, and also on the other side at the same. And then the hood will be off. You really need 2 people to do this, otherwise the hood will just falling off to your windshield. As you can see, this is the stock hood, and that is the hood we are going to put on. By the way, the nut size for this one is 14 millimeters. As you can see at here, the nuts for this side is 11 millimeters for these 3. Also, this is off. As you can see, you only need to take 3 nuts off on this side, and also for another side, then it will be off. Now we are going to put all of the nuts back to this new one. So as you can see, the new hood is on the car. Let me take you have a look. Look at all of these vents. All of those hot air from the engine will be come out from all of these vents, especially this huge vent. So, and the fitment is really not bad. And this is the stock one. This weight is really heavy compared to this full carbon one when we take it off, and this is really lightweight. Now let's take a look at the inside. We open the hood. This is what it looks like inside, and this is a brand I got from called Top Mix. It is a Chinese brand. And also, let's have a look. These are all of carbon fiber, as you can see. And all of these vents are real. Hot air will go out from here, and also this one, and also on this side as well. And the weight on this one is really light. Now when you close the hood, you have to use more strength compared to the stock one, otherwise it won't close. And also I'm going to have a PPF on this hood to prevent all of those rocks to make the cracks. So how do you guys think this new carbon fiber hood on my car? Please let me know in the comments below. And also huge thanks to my friends who helped me installing this hood. And there will be more mods on my car coming soon. Please stay tuned for that. And this will be end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video.